Hey guys, how's it going? How to send crypto from Trust Wallet to Kraken. So first of all, go ahead and open up Trust Wallet, okay? And log in using your account, obviously. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and hit send, okay? And select all networks and select the coin that you want to transfer. Let's have an example, Bitcoin, right? So you're gonna continue and add the address or domain name. So how do we pin down the domain or address? So what you're gonna do, we're gonna need to use Kraken for that step because we are receiving, right, to Kraken. So we're gonna go and log in to Kraken wallet, okay? And after we log in, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and hit the portfolio at the bottom right, okay? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and hit deposit, right? And then we're gonna hit the Bitcoin, right? And then we're gonna select the platform: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Key, BTC, OP Mainnet, or Lightning, right? So I'm gonna, let's have an example, select the first one, right? And then I'm gonna hit understand, and I'm gonna copy this address, and I'm gonna add it to my Trust wallet, okay? Just because I don't have a fund in my account, I won't be able to show you the address or domain name section. But basically, if you went along and selected the coin that you want to sell, then you're gonna be able to add the domain name and the amount of this crypto, right? One Bitcoin, one Solana, and basically hit next and follow the steps, and eventually you're gonna be able to receive your deposit on Kraken, right? And it will take, depending on the platform, right, or the network, yeah, you'll be using to deposit the Bitcoin or any other crypto. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.